Yeah, it was good with y'all boys, man. Hope y'all doing good. Hope y'all doing great. Welcome back to another video. You feel me? Nothing too crazy, man. As you can see by the title and thumbnail, I'm about to be doing my oil change on my Q60. This is my first time or my second time doing my oil change on my Q60. And I'm just gonna show y'all how I do it, and maybe it can help one of y'all if y'all don't know how to do oil change. This, that, and the third. But we had autos on. My boy Dane pulled up. I'm gonna get the tools. He got a couple tools I need to for my drain plug and oil filter. But yo, I appreciate all the support we got from the last video on my mod list. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to go watch all my other videos. I might make a playlist, I might not. But yo, I'll catch y'all on the next clip. Yeet! Cool, my boy Dane pulled up. Crazy ass view. And my boy finally low. Y'all go check his videos out. BQ Demo. Feel me? Alright, so we got the oil. I'm about to grab these tools. And then, yeah, we gonna get the oil change done. Man, where the tools at, man? Says good to the vlog.
Come to the shop, bro. Come shop with Dane.
Man, you clean your trunk, bro.
Damn. What you say?
No.
Oh. Bro. Or you can just take the whole thing.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, that's a better.
In case you, like, if I give you something and it's a bigger size or something, like.
Got the care package from my man. Dang. That's all I need. Yo, though, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get back to the crib. Alright, bet. Here's all the tools you're gonna need for the job. Get you a little socket wrench, or whatever you call this. Then you want to get you a 10 millimeter. These are for the screws that's holding up the little protection shield. And then you want to get you a 14. That's for the bolt for your oil pan to drain your oil. Bro. Are we back? After I'm done with my oil changes, I like to go on a little test drive just to make sure like everything running smoothly, and yeah, make sure everything running smoothly, all the oil is getting to where you need to go, and that's about it. Nothing too crazy. You ain't gotta like push your car heavy, but a little test drive, 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, you should be straight. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get back. Bet. And for y'all Q60 owners, I think this might be for Q52, but if you want to reset your little service dial, I don't really go by it. I kind of change my oil after every 6,000, 4,000 miles. I want to change my oil. But just flip through the service section. Once you get there, hold this button. Wait for them 3 lines to pop up. And then yo, that'll do it for today's video. I was editing and I forgot to do an outro, but did a quick little oil change. I got to do my tires and maybe a transmission or a coolant flush before the year is over with. And that'll pretty much wrap up all my maintenance. Let me know what else y'all want to see. More car content on the way. On the road to 400 subscribers. And yeah, that'll do it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, y'all boys stay fly. We out here. Get it.
In a much pit, I'm in my zone. I just cop it and take it home. That's a thot, bitch, I leave me alone. I ain't drop it, I got my chrome. We unlocked it, safe and then take it. Nigga, how far you wanna take it? Bitches, wait, shit, you can't mistake it.